You're good. That's very good. Do you like the 5 days thing about how lockdown affects children? Who watched that all? Do you like that, or do you want to do that again on Friday or no? Do you want to do the same thing on Friday? Yes or no? You're good. Was it fun or not that good? What do you mean, please? How are you? You was not there? You can watch it in YouTube. It's there on YouTube as well. How's your day, everyone? You're sick? I get well soon. That's very good that you subscribed the channel. We're nearly there to 1K subscribers. You just need like about 200 more subscribers then be 1K. So whoever comes, you can subscribe to the channel. That'd be really good. Also, you can follow the Facebook Ambitious Learning. That's like 1.2K followers. She's not here. She's very tired, you know. She said she's very sad. You know. She said people don't like her anymore. You'll be starting when she comes. But no one wants her, so you can't start, can you? Who wants her then? Write her name, then she might come. If you know her name. Okay, one person wants her. Maybe, you never know. I might be your teacher today if she doesn't come. 2. Wait, that's the same person. 3. You want her? Okay. Oh, you want me to teach you? Go to sleep then. Why are you sad if she doesn't come? Welcome. Why welcome? Hello. Or hi. Someone wants you now. They say come. Lol, instead of want, you listen, I went Asima. No, I want Asima. You want her? What's wrong with her? Nothing's wrong with her. She's just very tired, you know. Because she said she wants 1K subscribers. You know. Because it's been a long time. Because it'd be like 3 months and she wants 1K subscribers. She might give you a party if it's 1K subscribers. So it's your job now. I pray that you have no wicked wits. What do you mean by that? You really want her. But she wants 1K subscribers. What do you do with that? Okay, you want me to teach? She deserves a less. Okay, as you wish. Then, what do you think will happen now? Your cousin has 1K subscribers. You can ask your cousin to join here then. That will make her have 1K subscribers as well. I don't know if I might teach you. What do you mean stop now? What? She wants 1K subscribers. What can I do? That's the order what I got. I just listen. She gives the orders. I just listen to her, you know. As a daughter, you have to obey her. It's good to learn from the children. Very good. Okay, do you think I'm wasting your time or what? Okay, then have her.
Have her. Hi everyone. Aiden, hi. Your cousin has 45K. That's good. Hi everyone. Hi Rashik. Rashik is here. Hi. Kajal is here. Zoya is here. Holly's here. Holly, you were not here last week. You were not here on Friday. Oliver is here. Kritrishan is here. Pankri is here. Vivek, you're sick. I hope you get well soon. I am Shrinika. Shrinika, hi. Aiden, I'm not what? I'm here. Oh, all of you are here. Did you see on Friday? Hi, Josh. Ashmi, amazing. Did you see Ashmi on Friday, all of you? Did you manage to see Ashmi? Well done, Ishita. Yeah. Ishita is your little chatterbox. No? Lucky draw. I'll do lucky draw. Before that, you were not here on Friday. I accidentally twisted my back. I hope you're well. Only 15 views, highest on Facebook. I know there were so less people who were watching us on Friday. But after that, you won't believe it. We had so many children who watched us. We had around 2.1 members who watched us. So it's good. People like watching it afterwards. I'll do the lucky draw. Don't worry. The lucky draw will be done on Friday this week, not today, because I have not got the creative writings. I'm still waiting for your creative writings, guys. Please, please, please try giving me your creative writings. Lucky draw. No creative writing. I didn't get any creative writing. We'll do the lucky draw on Friday. I'm excited for today's lesson. That's good. You're new. Welcome. Did you see mine? Yes, I only got 2 or 3. I saw that. I need more. I need more creative writing. There are so many of you who come and I don't get your creative writings. Try giving your creative writings, all of you. And on Friday, again, we are going to have a live on Friday if I get more children participating in that. So if you want to participate on this Friday at 5, the time would be 5. So if you want to participate, you know what you need to do. You need your parents just to give you guys permission to go live with us. And then you are there. You're sending yours. That's good. So you know what topic we are doing today. Mathuna, I didn't get your creative writing from 2 weeks. We are learning probability today. Yes, we are. That is really clever. I don't know how to give my creative writing. The topic is so easy. The topic was invisible for a day. Oh, sorry. That's the email address you need to give your creative writing on. All locked down, yeah. Any one of them. But I think so all of you. Miss, when is the live? The live is on Friday. Let's do it at 5 o'clock because 6 was, I saw there were really less people 6 o'clock. I know we missed you, Holly. Holly, you were not there. So that's the address you need to put your creative writing on. So let's do it now. Can we start now? We should now. We should be starting now. And I'll be doing probability. How many of you find probability hard? Can you please do it at 6? You want me to do at 6? Mathura, I can do 6 if you participate. Are you ready to participate? Then I'll do at 6 o'clock. I am Zoya's mom. Zoya mom, I don't need permission like that. I need an email from you. How do I tell your mother to write it to me? Give me a permission that Mathuna will come live. And I think so. Ashmi wants to come live again. Ashmi loves all of you. Ashmi always wants to come live. Every time we have live, she's like, oh, I want to be live. I want it to be a normal time. I want to. Okay. I am Charvi. That's good. Guys, let me start probability now. Please. Ashmi, yeah, Mathuna is coming live. So you can also come with her now. I love your lessons. It's the best. That's good. I will come at 3. We can decide the time, guys. Just let all the kids have permission. I think so. Banish, if he's not here, Banish wanted to come live. So Banish would be there. Mathura will be there. And Ashmi will be there. So let's see anyone else want to be there. So let's start with probability. When is it? It's on Friday again. You don't understand probability. Do you guys find probability hard or you find it easy? Just write it down, your views. What do you think about probability? Do you find it hard or you find it? Do you find probability hard or you find not probability the life? Okay. I was asking about the probability. Let's leave about the life now. Ashmi finds it easy. I find it easy. So I won't be there at 5 or 6. Okay, that's fine. Let's concentrate on maths now. We can discuss that near the time when we have more kids who are participating. If you find it normal, that's good. So I have a little PowerPoint which I can share with you all to tell you about probability. You can have a rough idea what probability is. And after that, we can start doing some sheets of probability because probability is there in your 11 plus. And even though I'm in year 4, that's good, Josh. I know you're really clever for year 4. It's easy. So just have a look at the PowerPoint, what I found. And I think that PowerPoint will really help you all. So we can start doing it, start sharing the screen now. And then I can start showing you what it is. You haven't done it yet. That's fine. Don't worry. I am Banish. Banish, subscribe from your new account. I know that's your account. So let's do it. Let's share the screen now. Let's see. Sharing screen. We'll go with the first one. To tell you guys what probability is. So let's do it now. So all of you can do it. Let's try it now. Okay, let's do it. So I'll tell you what probability is. I've hidden my face now so you guys can't see me. So let's start now. Let's start with probability. So basically, when you have probability, it's really easy. It tells you how to do it. So the screen will tell you how to do it. That's really easy one. So when you know probability is, they will basically ask you the probability of a dice. So this is something you will always get. So when you have the probability of a dice, how would you do it? So you're basically rolling at 14 heads. What is the impossible, even, chance, and certain? This is something they will always ask you when you start doing probability. They will always ask you how likely something is. Probability is how likely something is to happen. You might also hear it called chance. So they might ask you, what's the chance for this thing to happen? Probability can be expressed as fractions, decimals, or percentage, or on a probability scale. So this is something you have to remember when you start doing your probability. And how would that happen? What is probability? Probability or chance is how likely something is to happen. If probability has a low probability, it is unlikely to happen. If something has a high probability, it is likely to happen. So let's look at this one. If they have given you one example, that is, Geeta has this spinner. What is the chance of the spinning the number in the boxes below? Match the boxes to the correct one. So obviously, when you have an odd one, always remember, when you have the odd one, the probability would be an even chance. And if you have 2, it will be impossible. A number less than 10, if they ask you what's the probability of a number which is less than 10, it will be certain. So this is something we have to remember in probability. The language of probability, they will always ask you, when you have something, they will ask you about probability. They will always ask you certain, very unlikely, even chance, not likely, impossible. These are the things they will always ask you about probability. So you have to be really, really careful about probability. Let me see how all of you write probability now. You can spin any number from 1 to 6 on the spinner. Write the number that is impossible to spin. This is just they're giving you an example. Which number you think it's impossible to spin when you spin numbers in a dice? 7. You think 7 is the number you can't spin. 7 is not there in the dice. The dice always have till 6. Have you seen dice when you play games? Yeah, let me just try your luck now. Let me see how many of you know it. So what's the number impossible to spin? None of you give me the answer. If it's less than 1 or greater than 6. So let me ask you another one now. Let's see. How can you write probability? Basically, when they ask you to write probability is how to express probability. Probabilities are most commonly shown as fractions. So mainly remember, when are you doing probability? It's same like fractions. So the probability of getting tails when you toss a coin is a 1 in 2 chance or half. So whenever you, if this is a game I when I was small, I always used to play spin the coin, and then I used to see what I get. Always your answer would be a half. The probability of getting a 3 when you roll a dice is 1 in 6 chances or 1 by 6. That's something. Let me ask you. Okay, let me see. Let me see what your answers are now. I won't tell you if you guys are writing the right answer or wrong. Try doing this for me for a minute. Let me see how many of you write the right answer, then I'll show you the answers. The first one is, can you tell me what is the probability as a fraction when the probability of rolling a 4 with a dice? I'll just write down your answers, but I won't tell you guys are telling me right or wrong. So try writing all 4 of them. Then I will tell you your answers. So you have 4 to do for me. The first one is, what's the probability of rolling a 4 with a dice? Number 1. Number 2 is, what is the probability of rolling an odd number with a dice? So you have an odd number. Number 3 is, a bag contains 7 buttons. 3 of them are green. What is the probability of picking a green button from the bag? And the fourth one is, a bag contains 3 red and 5 green marbles. What is the probability of picking a red one? I'm just writing your answers, then I'll see if you guys are right or wrong. I'll give you a minute to do this, then I'll write down the answers. I'm just putting all your answers. Keep your answers with you till I show you guys the answers. Good. Josh has done it. Ashmi's done it. Oliver has done it. Holly's done it. Mathuna has done it. So, should we see if your answers are right or wrong, guys? Okay. Let's see the answers. So, the first one was, what is the probability of rolling a 4 with a dice? Is 1/6. So try seeing if you got it right. Josh, I'm putting yours. Let me see yours. Second one was half. Josh got, well done, Josh. You got all of them right. Divya, let's see. Maury. Yeah, I got it. So how many of you got all of it right? Got it right? So it was 1/6, 1/2, 3/7, and 3/8. She got it. Aiden got it right. Holly got it all right. You also got it all right. Yogi got it right. Good. Mohammed, you got it right. Pankri got it right. I got it right. Good. If you got it right. Remember, we have sheets coming up now. So it'll be a little more tricky for you all. So you know how you got this? Where is your face, Ashima? My face is hidden today. She got it right. Good. Well done, guys. These are not hard. Yeah, we'll do hard ones now. Josh, don't worry. Why they are not hard? Because it's the basic of probability. We'll go through the sheets with probability now. So let's start sharing the screen with probability sheet. So I'll stop sharing the screen now and I'll start sharing the screen. Okay. So you can see this. Let's do this one now. I will put it little. I'll zoom it for you guys so you can do it. Let's start doing the first one now and see what your answers are. The first one is, it did not work. What did not work? So the first one is the probability that a base dice will land on a 6 is 0.3. The dice is going to be rolled 200 times. Work out an estimate for the number of times the dice will land on 6. So you need to work out how many times it will land in 6. Try doing the first one, all of you. And tell me what your answer is. Komal got her answer already. Good, Komal. It's not half. You don't know? Mohammed got it 6. Oliver is not doing it right. So should we do this one together? You have 0.3. Okay, let's do this one together because some of you are getting it wrong. So they are saying the probability is based on a base dice will land on a 0 is 0.3. The dice is going to be rolled 200 times. Work out the estimate. It's so easy. You will just do it 0.3 multiply by 200. You just need to multiply by 200 to get your answer. And then you will get your answer to 60. That's your answer. That was so easy. Josh got it. Gauri got it now. So it's 60. Yeah, it's 60. She got it right. That's good. So now all of you are getting it 60. Should we go on the next one now? I will rub this one. Let's move on to the next one. I will zoom in a little bit for you all so you can see it. Now try doing this one now. It's the same way like we did the first one. In this, they're asking you the probability that a sunflower seed will germinate is 0.9. Ellen is going to plant 50 sunflower seeds. Work out the estimate of the number of seeds that will germinate. What do you think it is? Just do the same way as we did the last one. Good. Now all of you are getting the answers right. It's 45. Good. It's 45. Shilpa is getting the answer right. Did you never get the credit? Pathuna, I will give you the credit. Don't worry. I'm putting everyone's on the screen. Madhuna is such a liar. When she does the creative writing, she always gets the credit. And I keep saying, everyone, look at her. Her creative writing is so good. And now she's telling me I never get the credit. Naughty, naughty. So let's do it now. Let's write it down for the ones who are stuck. So you can have a look how you did it. It's easy. Again, we will just do 0.9 multiplied by 50. That will give you all your answer. What everybody else is getting is 45. I'll wait for a minute for you guys to have a look. Good, everyone. I'm putting everyone's on the board. Now I'll move on to the next one now. Good, Vivek, Kajal, Rupshar, Yogi, Divya, Marva. Good. So let's move on to the next one now. Well done, guys. So try doing number 3 for me now. Number 3 is the probability and the Frank score. A penalty is 0.86. Frank is going to take 50 penalties. You need to work out the number of times Frank will score. So you need to find how many times will he score. The same way as we did the other ones is the same way you do it, and then you get your answer. Gauri got the answer. Number 2, no, Gauri. It's not right. Try doing it again. Aiden, try doing it again. Holly got it right. Good. Manish got it right. Why did I stop sharing the screen? The screen has been still shared. Good, Aiden. Good, Gauri. Good, Hatish. Good, Sava. Good, Vivek. Good, Josh. The answer is 43. Yeah. How we got 43? As I told you, it's the same way like we did the others. You just need to do it. 0.86. 0.86 multiply by 50. That will give you your answer. $243. That's your answer. Good. Let's move on to the next one now. Good, guys. Manoj, you got something little wrong. It's 43, not 42. So let's move on to the next one. Number 4 now. Number 4 is the probability that Matt scores a penalty is 0.96. Matt is going to take 25 penalties. Work out an estimate for the number of times Matt will score. Is the same way as we did the other ones. Try doing it. And after that, the next one are going to be little hard for you all. So the answer for this one, Saba got it right, Holly got it right, Preeti got it right, Vivek got it right, Josh got it right. It's 24. Good. Yogi also got it right. Soya got it right. So should we write down the answers for the ones who didn't know how to do it? After that, we'll move on to the next one. So it's same way as we did. It's 0.96 multiplied by 25. That gives us our answer, 224. Good. Going on the next page now. We'll do a little zoom for you guys so you can see it. Now you need to complete the table. Now it's getting a little harder now than what you guys did. So basically, a bag contains. Can you see it, or you want me to zoom in a little bit? So it's saying that in a bag there are only red counters, blue counters, and white counters. Zoom. Okay, I'll do that for you. Hope it's better now. You can see it. In the black bag, there are only red counters, blue counters, and white counters. A counter is taken in random from the bag. So you can take random. You can take blue, red, or white. The table shows probability of the counters being red or blue. So you need to complete the table to show the probability of the white. So how would you do that? Number 5. Good. Is 0.2. That's good, guys. You did it. Well done. And the ones who don't know, I'll just do it for you. That was an easy one. We know what red is and we know what blue is. So I'll just add 0.5. My points are so bad. 0.5 plus 0.3. That gives me 0.8. And after that, it's not over. We need to find the white one. And they take in random. Random means after 1. So it will be 1 minus 0.8. That gives me my answer 0.2. What all of you have done it. So all of you got it right. Yes, you did it first. So 0.2 is your answer for this one. Good. Kajal, good. Josh, you got it good. So let's do the next one now. Which one are you doing, Pankri? So let's move on to the next one now. Well done to everyone. All of you are really clever. Let's move on to number 6 now. So try doing number 6 same way as you did number 5. You need to do number 6 now. In this, you need to find the green ones. .12. All of you are really clever. You got the answer so fast. Well done, guys. Good. Good, everyone. Well done. All of you are so clever. So let's do the working out for the ones who don't know how to do it. It's easy. You just need to add 0.64 plus 0.24. You're just adding them up. And when you add them up, you get 0.88. And then we just need to minus it by 1. So minus 1, 0.88. That will give you all your answer. What all of you got was 0.12. Well done, guys. Good. Let's go on to number 7 now. Seven is the same one. In this, you need to find the green one in this. Try doing it now. So let's do it. In this, you need to find the green ones. It's the same way as we did the before one. It's a base spinner can land on red, blue, yellow or green. The table shows the probabilities that the spinner will land on red, blue or yellow. And they have given you, so you just need to find the table to show the probability the spinner will land on green. It's the same way as we did the before ones. So all of you already got the answer. That's good. So try doing number 7. So the answer for number 7 is 0.1. Good. All of you are doing it really well. Mathuna, look at your one is on the board now. So you won't get angry anymore. So this is to make her happy now. So she's happy now, so I can move on now. No, guys, I'll make her be here till I write down the answer. Otherwise, I'll be like, all your hard work would be gone then. So it's way to do it 0.25 plus 0.34. And in this one, you just need to add all of them up. If you guys were not aware how to do it, 0.22, that gives you 0.81. And after you get 0.81, we still need to find the green one. It's not over. And then we will minus from 1 minus 0. My 8 is so bad today. 81 gives you 0.19. That was our answer for this one. I don't get this. We are just adding them up all, Pankri, and then we are minusing it from 1. Ashmi, can we start doing some work, please? So let's do the next one now. Yeah, just add them up and just minus it from 1. Pankri, that's an easy one. So let's do the next one now. I'm just going to zoom it for you guys so you can see it. How would you do this one now? Number 8. Because you don't know any of them now. But you know it. You know it's given in ratio now. In a bag, there are only red counters, blue counters, and white counters. Number of red counters, number of blue counters, and number of white counters is 5:4:3. The counter is taken at random from the bag. Complete the table to show the probabilities of the counters being red, blue, or white. Try doing this one now. Number 8. How would you do it? I really want to see it now. That's so easy. You just need to add them up. No. Okay. You just need to complete the table. Vivek got one of it. That's good. Yogi, no, you're not doing it right. We need them in percentage. We need them in fractions now. If you have something like this, the best thing is you need to add 5 plus 4 plus 3. And then you know how many is white, red. You know red is 5. Just do it 5 by 12. You know blue is 4. Just do it 4 by 12. And you know white is 3 by 12. That's the only thing you're supposed to do in this one. Good. In this one, we are just going to add these up. We know they add up to 12. And then this one would be 5 by 12. This one would be 4 by 12. And the last one is 3 by 12. Good. Let me just copy some of yours now. Well done, guys. You won't simplify it because you want the answer to be by 12. Don't try to simplify that. If you do that, you'll get it wrong because you want it by 12. I simplified. You don't need to. Because there are 12 of them. If you simplify, your answer would be wrong. So let's do the next one now. Let's do number 8 now. I need to rub this out, otherwise. So how would you do number 8 now? Sorry, number 9, not number 8. Try doing number 9 now. Number 9, they are telling you a bag, there are only black counters. White counters and red counters. A counter is taken at random from the bag. The table shows the probability of taking a black counter and a white one. Complete the table to show the probabilities of the counter being red. So how would you do this one now? Try making the denominator same like you do your fractions. You're doing it the same way. And then you find your answer. Good. Dia has already found it. Komal has found it. Marve has found it. Gauri's found it. Aiden has found it. Soya has done it. Good. Ashmi, you're still on the previous one. Manoj, how did you get 5 by 50? That's wrong. Josh has done it. Kara has done it. Dia has done it. You did not notice. Okay. Try making the denominator same like you do in your fractions and then try doing it. So for the ones who don't know, let's do it. We are making it same. So it's 10. And on top you have 3/6. And then when you add them up, you get 9, 1, 10. And remember, we always have to do it by 1. So 1 minus 9/10, that will give you your answer 1/10. Have a look for the ones who didn't get it, so you will get it now. Good, Ashmi. Shilpi, good. Prathana, your one is again on the board. I've done it for you. You don't do it percentage, you just do 1/10. No percentage needed in this one. Good, guys. Should we move on to the next one? How would you do this one now? You need, I'll just remove I'll zoom it for you guys so you can have a look. So it's now a bench spinner can land on a blue, a red, blue, yellow, and green. The table shows the probabilities that the spinner will land on a blue and a yellow. So you're given red, you're not given blue, you're just given yellow. What probability of landing would be landing on green? So everybody's getting it now. So you do it the opposite way in this one. Good. You are getting the right answers, guys. Well done. Well done, everyone. So let's just write the answer. For the ones who didn't understand, this is easy. We will just add 0.18 plus 0.26 first. The first step would be add what's given to you plus 0.26. That will give you guys 0.44. And after that, minus it with 1. That will be 0.56. And then you need to divide it by 2. So 0.56 will be divided by 2, and that your answer would be 0.28. I'll write it down here. That your answer would be 0.28, and your blue and green both will be 0.28. Both of them will be 0.28. So all of your same, both of them would be same. Blue and green would be same. Because you're saying the probability of landing on blue is the same as the probability of landing on green. It tells you that both of them are same. So we need to read the question really carefully, what they're asking you, and then you have to do it. So have a look if you didn't understand how we did it. And then you all will get to know how to do it. Josh, till you become in year 5, you'll become so clever. Well done, guys. Let's see. How many are left? There are 14 of them. We can just do 12 and leave the other 2. It's fine. Because all of you are hungry again. So let's just finish these 2 and then complete the rest. This is our last page for today. So you need to work out the table first. The table shows the probability that the spinner will land on a red, blue, or yellow. You just need to complete the table. That's an easy one. You know how to complete the table. So try completing the table in this one. And the next is, after completing the table, they're asking you, is going to spin the spinner 60 times. Work out the estimate of the number of times the spinner will land. So first is add them all up. I'm giving you a hint, and then minus it by 1. That will give you the answer for the first part, and then try doing the second part. The first one, all of you got the first one. Josh got the second one also, I think. So yeah, Josh has done the second one also. Well done, guys. And 11 plus preparation one is also done it. Komal has also done it. Good. Well done, guys. Let's do this one. For the ones who didn't understand, for the first part, we are just going to add 0.3 plus 0.25. I'll just write down here because this is giving me a, just get this one so you guys can understand it easier. 0.3 plus 0.25 plus 0.15. That will give you all 0.7. That's not over yet. Then you go on the next one. You need to minus it from 1. 1 minus 0.7. That will give you the answer for the first one. That's 0.3. So for the next one, what you have to do is, you know that they're asking you from 60. You just 60 multiply by 0.3. That will give you the answer as 18, what we got. So hope you understood this one. I wrote it down for the ones who didn't understand. So we can move on to the next one now. Good. You got the answer as 18. Shilpa also got the answer as 18. Soya got 18. Ashmi got 18. Gramly got 18. So we can move on to the next one. Yogi got 18. So let's move on to number 12. That's the last for you all for today. Because all of you are hungry, so we can't carry on with the... That's the last one for today. It has 2 parts. Try doing the 2 parts for me. Then we are done for today. So in this, they are saying a bag, there are only red counters, blue and white. A counter is taken random from the bag. The table shows the probability of getting a red. So you need the probability of getting the red one. The probability of getting a blue counter is the same. The probability of getting the white. So blue and white are same. As we did in the previous one, you do the same way. You need to complete the table, and the next they're asking you, there are 18 red counters in the bag. Work out the total number of counters in the bag. So you're doing the same way as we did the previous one. Let's see who can give me the answer. 0.4. Good, Kajal. That's the answer for the first part. Second part. Josh, good. That's the answer for the first one you got. Komal got the first one. And try getting the answer for the second one now. The second one, the answer is, it's little confusing. We can do it together because looks like, no, it's not 100, Oliver. So the first one is easy, and all of you know how to do the first one. The first one is, you're just going to minus 1 minus from 0.2. That gives you guys 0.8. And we know that they said it's same like both of them. You divide it by 2 and you got your answer for the first one is 0.4. That's the answer for the first one. And in the second one, we'll put this with x's now. 0.2x gives me, I know it's 18. Not 8, 18. And then you also need to multiply it by 5. And that would be, you also need to multiply that by 5, that your x. Both the sides you need to multiply by 5. So both the sides you need to multiply by 5. Both the sides will be multiplied by 5. Sides will multiply by 5. Oh, it's gone other way now. So basically you're multiplying both the sides by, I'm just getting that back for you all. So you can see it, I'll put it here. So you're multiplying both the sides by 5, and then after you do that, you will get, after that, you will get x equals to 19. That was your answer for the next one. 90. Yogi got it right. Kajal got it right. Good, guys. Good. So your next one is, we are done now. I'll stop sharing the screen with you guys. Have a look at this one. If you're stuck on the last one, it was little harder, but you all can still do it. And then we have stopped sharing the screen. Well done, everyone. We are hungry now. Well done. Well done, everyone. I hope you understood the probability now. Josh, I know you're never hungry. Vivek is never hungry. Soya is hungry. Roop Plus is not hungry. So we are done now. I hope you all get it now. You liked it? Yay, Holly, you're never hungry. Ashmi might be hungry. Ashmi and Madhuna looks like they're doing. What are we doing tomorrow? Tomorrow we are doing English now. I'll try do some interesting English for you all. You got a super yummy dish waiting. That's good for you. Okay, guys. Have a lovely rest of the day now. When is English? Tomorrow is English. So I'll see you guys back tomorrow now. You just had jack potato. That's good. You got a tuna sandwich, Oliver. That's good. Enjoy your tuna sandwich. Enjoy your lovely lunch, all of you. And I'll see all of you back tomorrow now. Bye, everyone.